Take a ride in the 2017 Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built into a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, compass, fog lights, trip computer, tachometer, panic alarm, brake assist, remote keyless entry, overhead console, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats. Your new ride is just a phone call away.